Mr. B, XRP here, and welcome back. This video is going to be a quick overview of XRP and what happened today and what was in the news, and just kind of give you a rundown so you have a quick overview. So you probably have noticed that the price was really started moving today. In fact, at one point it was up over 10%. We started the day, right around $2. We hit $2.28 at one point. Currently, it's about $2.24, 23 cents right now. So we are finally moving in the right direction and outpacing most everything else in the top 10. Crypto Bull had mentioned, he had said back, and he's one of the chart guys. He had said back in November 18th, XRP will soon break this resistance and leave Ethereum behind. And it looks like he was right. Today he posted XRP broke resistance against Ethereum and will outperform over the next week, if not longer. So the chart guys are pretty happy. Dark Defender actually posted this, and he had said, we deserve $22.22. I would love to see that. That would be absolutely fantastic. So let's keep our eyes and see if the price keeps moving. So just a reminder, today the Franklin Templeton their spot ETF for XRP went live. The EZRP ETF went live. We'll look at those flows in just a minute. Grayscale's GXRP went live today also, and we'll look at that in just a minute. President Trump people were wondering if his executive order today at 4 o'clock was going to be about digital assets, and I believe it's going to be about AI, so it's not going to be about digital assets. EZA had posted this, and those are the Kwok brothers. They said, since we first partnered with Google, over 6,000 developers have now started building with their toolkit at Flutter Dev. So what's interesting, I guess they've got some sort of a partnership or an association with Google, and one of the things that EZA specializes in is teaching developers to build on the XRP ledger. So that's kind of interesting. I'm looking forward to learning more about that and what that's all about. So cool stuff. Ripple was pretty excited about the launch of the ETFs. In fact, they actually reposted. They reposted Grayscale announcing the ETF launch, and they reposted Franklin Templeton. So if you don't think XRP trading and price means anything to Ripple, you need to think again. I mean, they have more than 40 billion XRP. Certainly the price is very important to Ripple, and they're certainly looking to see more adoption for sure. Chad Steingraber had posted this is getting spicy. Korea is FOMOing into XRP. So it looks like on Upbit, there was $28 million of net inflows in XRP, and Korea has always loved XRP. And it's interesting, he posted this just a little bit ago, and it's still early over in Korea, so I don't think it's even begun. If they're FOMOing in today, it hasn't peaked yet, because it's still early over there. All right, so I had mentioned in my video earlier today that XRPmarket.com was a new tracking platform. If you can track the inflows into ETFs, and like you can isolate spot only if you want to be sure that all the ETFs you're looking at, they actually have to hold XRP. So I've done that, and here Bitwise had $37 million come in. Franklin Templeton, so far they're showing just under $24 million. Interesting. I think we saw Chad Steingraber say that he thought they would do 25 million, so he was pretty accurate on that. I give him credit. Canary Capital came in with almost 19 million today. Amplify XRP came in with 15 million today. Rex Osprey came in with almost 11 million today, and Grayscale came in with 6.6 million today. All the others are derivatives and leverage. I'm not going to go into that. So these flows are starting. I mean, look at the chart. Look at this chart. Look at this. We went from practically nothing to boom. If you're watching my computer, you can see it. It's really, really cool. So that's good. We're moving in the right direction. These spot ETFs are very important, right? Because they have to have XRP backing them up. The XRP has to be bought. And what's beautiful about it is that XRP comes off the market. So it gets pulled off exchanges, gets put into ETFs, and ETF holders aren't like crypto holders. They're not daily traders usually. They usually buy and hold, and they sit. So having that XRP get soaked up is really, really important. Okay, last thing I want to talk about is it's Thanksgiving week. You've got friends and family and colleagues coming over for dinner, and they're going to be asking you about crypto because you're their crypto buddy, you're their crypto friend, you're the one that they know that's into crypto. If you are tired of explaining crypto to your family, friends, and colleagues, let me do it for you. Okay, so I'm gonna play this quick video. It's 50-second video, and here we go. And it didn't play. Hang on. Right now, but most people still understand crypto isn't the future. It's happening right now, but most people still don't truly understand it. I'm Nick Birafedo, creator of Blockchain Bootcamp, the fastest way to become crypto fluent in just 90 minutes. No hype, no jargon, just clear, real-world education. Choose the retail or financial advisor edition and finally understand wallets, custody, and how blockchain is transforming finance. And if you're already crypto-centric and blockchain native, it's the perfect way to help a friend, family member, or colleague learn crypto the right way. If you've got 90 minutes, I'll transport you years ahead in your crypto knowledge. Enroll today at cryptocoachnick.com. So you can even buy it as a gift for someone when you check out. You could call you could express it's a gift and send it to them. And if you want a discount code, you can use XRP 589 and get 25% off. And that is going to be it for this one. So I'm not a financial advisor. This video is for entertainment, educational purposes only. If it's your first time here, thank you for being here. Please subscribe to my channel. If it's not your first time here, thank you for being here. You're my people. And for those of you that are subscribing right now, you're now my people. So welcome. Always do your own research. See you next time. Bye-bye.